Dito ligit no na dengan yes Jatiahil. Por kita berjumpa dengan yang sekilas ni jadi buat dan kita waktu pantang mau ekspongi yang cerdas dan orang yang Chief Minister yang isang Konrad Sapal.
Yang ini tujuan yang ini di Kolshor dengan itu dari segi Jepang.
Sana? Bertemu ada sana.
Chai tay nang, đầy man khi man khăn, khúc lê chi bồn.
All of this beautiful and wonderful village. One speed is Behdienkhlam festival. So
Second visit here. I have come before And every time I come here, I see it get better and better. And the way the people have come together to really be part of the festival, it's a wonderful sight and a wonderful feeling. And for us as a government, we have always believed that this is the true identity of the people of our state. This is what makes us who we are. This is our culture. And it is very important that we keep it alive. It is very important that we pass it on to our generations. And therefore, ensuring that it is celebrated with the right spirit and also ensuring that the participation is there from the people is very, very important. So I take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy Behdienkhlam festival. And as we know that there's a festival which is meant to ward off all the evils or diseases that are there, and in the in the new sense, all the kind of bad vibes that are there. So therefore, it is a lot of deep meaning, even in today's world and today's society. So therefore, it's a very meaningful festival, and as I said, a very important part of our culture. I am very keen as a government to support and to further improve the infrastructure for festivals like these. Very soon, I will be announcing a program and a scheme specially meant to promote different aspects of the religious, cultural aspect and the history of the different religious groups in our state, whether it's the Tynrai, Saint Khasi, or the Christian religious groups, or any other religious group. We are here to support and to be able to create different aspects like museums, like historical facts and cultures. All of this will be done. Just recently, I was speaking to our Presbyterian church leaders who had mentioned about putting up about a museum in the memory of Thomas Jones. And so under the same scheme, we'll be taking up those museums and for the Catholic Church also, as well as for other denominations in other places, and also for our own traditional religion and the Tynrai and the Saint Khasi and other religious organizations that are there. We'll be supporting them in the days to come. Thank you. As I mentioned in my speech, that there's a proposal to set up a gallery and a museum here. So as part of a new scheme, we are planning to support the proposal that has been given by the Tynrai of Dubai. And the idea, as I said, is to give infrastructural support and ensure that the history, the culture is also captured through these different initiatives. And the support will be given to different religious organizations throughout the state. The idea, as I said, is to maintain the cultural aspect and the history and all the documentation of the different religious groups that are there in our state. Thank you.
You mentioned the amount roughly.
The amount demanded has been 10 crores. So as I said, since we'll be giving to all different groups, we'll be working out what the amounts will be. As I said, there is a demand and there's a request from different religious organizations. We will be coming out with a comprehensive plan. As you're aware, in anywhere in the state also, when you are committing something to somebody, you have to also remember the impact it has on others, and others also expect. So therefore, realizing that we want to take a comprehensive approach, not to kind of leave out anybody, any religious group. So it will be a comprehensive plan, and the proposal given by the Tynrai Dubai will also be included in that, and we will see how to move forward.